Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a box from Lancaster Farm Fresh. This is now the third box, I think, right? The third box that I've gotten from them. This is the medium box. Again, it is all organic, $39.99. Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-op is a cooperative market that is out of Lancaster, Pennsylvania. They deliver to New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, and the Washington, D.C. metro area. My last two boxes have been fantastic, and this has become my favorite company pretty quick. It's pretty amazing. Let's get this box open and find out what's inside. Oh, and I almost forgot. If you want to save off your first order, there's a link in the description down below. I don't get anything from that at all. That's just a discount for you. I don't get anything out of that. I paid for this box and this is not sponsored. Okay, now let's get the box open. Oh, I got a note. Can you read that? It says, "Thank you for your awesome unboxing videos. Please enjoy these shiitake mushrooms as a small thank you for all that you do. Best, the home delivery team at Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-op." That's so nice. Thank you guys, especially Brittany, because she's the one that told me about you. I just keep ordering it because I like it. Thank you guys for all that you do. Oh, this is so nice. I'm going to show you the inside because this is so nice. I really appreciate when a company takes care to package things. So look, there are two separate Mylar padded cooler bags in here. Like, honestly, this is the difference between a company like this and Misfits. I like Misfits. Don't get me wrong, I really do. I mean, otherwise I wouldn't keep ordering from them. You guys know that, because I still get orders from them. There's a lot of advantages to Misfits. Their packaging is not one of them. And we've got these 3 freezer bricks, the foam refrigerant. And this is what I think, and I can't prove it, but I think it's Oasis. And I talked about that in my last video. I even included a little snippet of what Oasis is for those of you that don't know. But Oasis is a foam that they use in the bottom of flower arrangements. You soak it in water and then you make your arrangement. Not the ones in a vase, but the ones that are like in a plastic container. My mom's a florist, mentioned that before. If you're interested in going to her store, it's in Camden, Maine, and it's called Lily, Lupin and Fern, right on Main Street. Say hi to Bunny and Gary. That's my mom and stepdad. So we've got some spinach, and this is nice. It's Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-op, locally rooted, sustainably minded, organic young spinach. It does say wash before savoring. Used by October 26th. Today is October 14th. So we got plenty of time on this. Flat leaf parsley. Wahoo! Italian flat leaf parsley. We love this. I don't know why it's so hard to get flat leaf parsley. Ooh, some radishes. These are really nice looking radishes. The greens are falling off, but that's okay. The radishes are fine. Oh, and these are the shiitake mushrooms that I guess they threw in. That was really nice of them. You didn't have to do that, guys, but thank you. I love shiitake mushrooms. This is interesting. I have never seen something like this before. Green cauliflower. Have you ever seen green cauliflower before? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I have never seen this, but I'm really excited to try it. And some peppers. Ooh, sweet, yummy peppers. These are the tiny little peppers. And they're so pretty. Some onions. Yellow onions. Great. You can always use those. Oh, these are our eggs. Our eggs. And these are 1 dozen organic, unclassified eggs. And what's the expiration date? November 30th. Wow. I love it when I have a late expiration date. That's awesome. Some delicata squash. Why can't I say that? We've had this before. We got this, I think it might have been from Misfits, back from when, remember when you couldn't choose what you were getting with Misfits? I used to get stuff like this all the time, and it introduced me to a lot of new and interesting vegetables. Oh wow, this is a lot of beets. Oh my goodness. This is a whole lot of beets, guys. This whole bag. I mean, this is a lot for a medium box. And there's another side here. Oh, that's also heavy. More of these freezer bricks. Wow, lots of them. I wish I had room in my freezer to put them. And I guess we can save them. And then we've got some whole milk. This is organic grass-based whole milk. Always fresh, never ultra pasteurized. And this expires the 24th. So we have about 10 days for that. The milk and the eggs were an add-on. The shiitake mushrooms were a freebie. But let me show you what everything else looks like. Everything in the sink was part of the medium box. What do you think? Is this worth $39.99? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Now, the milk and the eggs, I think were another $9. I don't know, I'll put my receipt up. What do you think of Lancaster Farm Fresh? Have you tried them? Do you wish you could try them? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, give it a like and share it with somebody else that wants to save some money on their groceries. And just post it to your social media too. Remember, I post videos every week that can help you with your fitness, nutrition, your figure skating, and live a healthier life. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Aimée, Happy Eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-op is a nonprofit organic farmers co-op. We work with farmers to aggregate products locally and distribute them to the local communities. So our general local radius for us is about 150 miles. We work with a multitude of farmers from Lancaster County, and most of those farmers are generational farmers that have been growing for years, and most of the farmers are Amish. We started out with 6 farmers in 2006, and now we have over 120. We created Lancaster Farm Fresh to be a model that works for the farmers. And basically, what works for farmers is not marketing. They want to stay on their farms, know their soil, work with their families. So we're really good at keeping them on the farms doing that. So we mostly use animal power at our farms. We have over 120 farmers, but we have 1 tractor. We don't use a lot of fossil fuels. We use a lot of family labor. Everything that's harvested by us is harvested by human hands. And I feel like, you know, nowadays that's often getting lost, and that connection to our food. Having that human touch when you harvest produce kind of gives it that extra quality we're looking for, because we have our eyes on each and every product. What you do is just snap it off like that, and you harvest your beautiful asparagus. And you can eat this raw, sauteed in olive oil, garlic, however you prepare it. But this is super fresh, certified organic asparagus. Our community and family are basically one, because we have the farming community, but then we have the customer community, and we have our staff, that's their own community. So all those families interconnected create this awesome web of food life that we can support and support each other.
So as you see, they're fairly friendly. I probably wouldn't even have to be wearing my veal. In fact, some of these I know personally.
We use this term that we want to create a culture of goodness. And part of that culture is creating a sustainable land base. We use certified organic methods, and that means a lot to us because that keeps the integrity of the soil in place, creates the biodiversity we want on our lands, and keeps the lands healthy for future generations. And we really hold strict guidelines for certified organic methods. No chemicals, no pesticides, and we create green biomass in between the rows, you know, harvesting by hand, using environmental friendly cleaners and things like that. We can really uphold our quality and standards by creating a superior product. Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-op takes pride in knowing that we can support Amish and Plains sect farmers by keeping them on their farms. And nowadays, farmland is being lost at an alarming rate, and we can keep the farmers on their farms doing what they do best, working with their own families and creating products they love to create for the community.